Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? In today's session, I'm going to tell you why you need to read your book. Now, reading your book brings happiness, it brings joy, it brings everything positive that you need to know about academics, right? So today, I urge every student out there and every candidate to always endeavor to read their books. Reading books is so beautiful, and life is all about reading your books. So whatever information, whatever knowledge you seek is always in a book. We have various types of book. We have spiritual books, we have motivational books, we have business books, we have educational books. So there's no amount of information or knowledge you seek. A book is always has it, right? So I want you to urge somebody and pass this information across that you should always read your book. Yes, you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Take a book and read today. Bye bye.